आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू कैन सी दिस, बट ये है मुंबई की पहली बारिश एंड इट्स सो हैवी। नीचे वहाँ पे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, बारिश में भीग रहे हैं। इट्स फन, राइट? इतना अमेजिंग मौसम। बाय द वे, फ्रॉम माई हाउस वहाँ पे ना पकौड़ा दिखता है वहाँ, बट राइट नाउ यू कैन नॉट सी इट क्योंकि उतना बारिश ही हो रहा है। इट्स सो अमेजिंग। एंड मेरे घर में व्हाई आई लाइक दिस हाउस द मोस्ट इज बिकॉज आई कैन सी द ग्रीन लैंड बहुत दूर तक। I can see an uninterrupted sea view वहाँ पे, right? And I can see the beautiful sky as well. तो और क्या चाहिए इंसान को लाइफ में, और क्या ही चाहिए? So I just woke up, guys. It's morning and it's amazing view. So guys, हम obviously दिन शुरू करेंगे कॉफ़ी के साथ में, ठीक है? बाय द वे, आई हैव ऑलरेडी हैड माई एम्प्टी स्टमक ड्रिंक। वो एक बहुत ही बढ़िया ड्रिंक है फॉर योर gut health, a great drink to start your day with, and it's amazing. So morning routine hai, I woke up, I brush my teeth, then I take my empty stomach drink now. So abhi I will switch this on. यहाँ पे पानी गर्म होगा फॉर कॉफ़ी, एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव टू बॉयल माई एग्स, बॉयल एग्स फॉर मी, ठीक है? दीज आर गोना बी 8 eggs, all right, because that's how much is required. This is my coffee, these are eggs, all right, but before eating eggs I have another meal which I'll prepare in front of you because it's very easy to do, ठीक है? Always measure your food, guys. So what I eat is, this is cream of rice. It's a source of low GI carb. Shit, I'm so drained already in the morning because of the cold. Alright, and one serving of this has 25 grams of carbs, and one serving size, by the way, is 30 grams. But I don't use 30 grams of these. In my diet, my coach has given me 20 grams of these, and these are like, it's just this much. Now I use the brand which I use is Bake Nutrition. The only reason I use it because इंडिया में क्रीम ऑफ राइस अच्छे मिलते नहीं हैं। दूसरा, ये फ्लेवर्ड है, सो दिस फ्लेवर इज, दिस इज व्हाट, chocolate hazelnut flavor, right? So 20 grams of these, always measured. Okay, so now that's 20 grams. Now with this, it will be 1.5 scoop of whey. So with that, we take whey from Silverback Nutrition, 1.5 scoops of these. That's chocolate hazelnut, this is chocolate, okay? So now let's add these. So yes, after adding 1.5 scoop of this, we will add hot water to it. We need a spoon. This is again hot water. You can, because I like to eat it this way, okay? Normally you can put everything in the shaker in regular water and also have it, okay? I just like it this way because of adding hot water, the cream of rice volumizes itself, makes me feel fuller. Now you can add water according to the kind of consistency you want. So I like it in this consistency of a thick paste. I will still keep it aside for some time. It's gonna make it slightly, like, it's very fluid right now. it's gonna make it very sticky and thicker. So we will just cover it up and go drink our coffee. So first, finish coffee, wait for some time, finish cream of rice with whey protein. Then around after 2.5 hours will be eggs. Eggs बना दे रहा हूँ because I have to start working now. ठीक है, I have a lot of consultation calls today as well, which is good. I like helping people. People are reaching out for the free consultation call. The response is pretty amazing. They are happy with what they're getting, the kind of questions they ask and the answers they're getting. It's really helping them clear out their doubts and go kind of start what kind of path, giving them the right direction and the right way to start their journey, even if they are trying by themselves. So it's 8:30 and I've already started working, like you can see. Usually I would be doing cardio at this time, but today I can't do cardio, so I am trying to still be productive because otherwise मेरा दिमाग थोड़ा irritate हो जाएगा. So let's go through the emails I've got through from clients for consultation calls. Also, there are a lot of clients who are not from India. They're from US, Canada, UK, Europe. So usually they all text and ask their queries at night, and it's important to answer them first thing in the morning. So let's go.
Concrete dreams where the neon glows. Every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys.
So it's 9:15. Coffee is half done, half left. I sip it slowly. This is now ready. As you can see, it is not that flowy anymore. ठीक है. So this has, repeating myself, this has 20 grams of cream of rice and 1.5 scoops of whey. Essentially, this is this is 250 calories with 40 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs, and around 2-3 grams of fat. You can add your favorite berries in it, but I like to eat it like this. Okay, you can add berries, apple. If you are on gaining, then probably more of cream of rice and banana. Now, why cream of rice, not oats? Personally, for me, because this is very easily digestible. It will not cause you bloating. Gives you quick energy, and overall, let's say if you are somebody with a sensitive gut, this is a great one to have. So let's get to work and see you for the next meal. So my next meal is pretty simple. These are 8 boiled egg whites. I prefer boiled because easy to eat. I can eat them even while working. And yeah, like you can technically half fry them, make an omelette, add veggies, whatever. I like this. Just added salt in it, nothing else. That's how I like it, quick and easy. मेरा खाने को लेकर के जो इनिशियल डे की मील्स है वो बहुत ही सिंपल थंब रूल फॉलो करती हैं. ईजी, क्विक एंड एफिशिएंट. बहुत सिंपल. ठीक है. These are 8 egg whites, so these have around 24 grams of protein in it. That's it, nothing else. I'll finish these and see you for the next one. So it's lunch time. 2 बज रहा है. And I'm gonna show you my lunch. I usually keep it ready ताकि मुझे सिर्फ उसको माइक्रोवेव में डाल के गरम करना हो, एंड जैसे ही वो हो जाए ऐसे, what a timing, जैसे ही वो हो जाए so I can just take it out and eat. It saves मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि मुझे फिर उसको हर बार कुक नहीं करना पड़ेगा, राइट. वी हैव 125 grams of chicken breast, 75 grams of rice, and 100 grams of stir fry salad. In salad, I usually eat green and yellow zucchinis, bell peppers of yellow and red bell peppers, capsicum, and French beans. You can also add broccoli. I was out of broccoli, hence नहीं हो पाया. So yeah, this is my lunch. Let me finish this. So let me finish this and get back to work. And next meal is gonna be very simple. I'll show you. It will be just 1.5 scoop of whey protein. That's it. Nothing else.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
So now it's time for meal 3, and meal 3 is again 1.5 scoop of whey. This is a different flavor which I make for the sake of variety. Again, this is another favorite one of mine. It's called coffee mocha, right? It's good. अगर इसको ट्रू सेंस में एंजॉय करना है, मैं बहुत बोरिंग तरीके से लेता हूँ, बट ट्रू सेंस में एंजॉय करना है, सो ब्लेंड इट इन oat milk or let's say water with ice. So ठंडा ठंडा एकदम मस्त. So ये हो जाएगी मील 3. अब ऑफ कोर्स मैं इसको पीते हुए नहीं खाने वाला हूँ. मैं कैटरीना कैफ नहीं लगूंगा पीते हुए स्लाइस के ऐसे, है ना. So I'll finish this and then see you for the fourth meal.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Okay, चलो अब डिनर का वक्त है. This is my pre-cooked chicken. Alright, so it's just 120 rupees. Sorry, 125 grams of these. 75 grams of rice. Of course, there is salad with it, but उसके पहले हम इसको preheat करेंगे, फिर खा लेंगे. See, this is how easy it is when you have meal prep और सब ready है. Literally 2 मिनट्स को निकालने में, 2 मिनट गर्म करने में, और फिर अब ऑफ कोर्स खाने की स्पीड आपकी जैसे भी हो, बट ऑलवेज मेजर गेट्स ये. हाँ, सो दिस इज हाउ दिस वाज माय होल डे ऑफ ईटिंग. कुछ सवाल हो तो प्लीज नीचे पूछिए. आई नो बहुत बोरिंग है बहुत लोगों के लिए कि देयर इज नो वैरायटी इन इट, but I eat for purpose, not for entertainment. So also अभी जो goals चल रहे हैं, every meal is part of the process. कुछ भी चीज़ ऊपर नीचे लेफ्ट राइट नहीं करनी है और नहीं करेंगे, अच्छे से करें. All right, so this is it. See you for the next video, guys. Bye bye.